Hey, Stan, what are you doing?
Oh, hey, Trash Heap. I'm just bringing all of this stuff to the recycling bin.
What? What's recycling?
You don't know what recycling is?
Well, it's when you take the thing...
Here, let me help. First you take it and separate it, paper, glass, tin, and plastic. Then you put them in the recycling bin. Recycling is fantastic.
First you take it and mix it all up, paper with soup and cheese with. Then you put them all in here, and then you close the garbage.
Trash Heap, that's not how this works. Now let's try it again. First you take it and separate.
Never! That's just stupid.
Here, let's try it again. First you take it and separate it, paper, glass, tin, and plastic. Then you put them in the recycling bin. Recycling is fantastic.
Hey! Wait a second. This is starting to make sense. I think this just might work.
That's what's supposed to happen.
Well, I think this is fun.
Let's do it again.
First you take it and separate it, paper, glass, tin, and plastic. Then you put it in the recycling bin. Recycling is fantastic. Well, thanks a lot, Stan. Now I get it.
Well, I'm glad I could help, Trash Heap. In fact, we could all help. By recycling, we make the world a cleaner place.
Yay!
Recycling has advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: reduces air and water pollution, saves energy, reduces mineral demand, reduces greenhouse gas emissions, can save landfill space, reduces solid waste production and disposal, helps protect biodiversity, an important part of economy. Disadvantages: can cost more than burying in areas with ample landfill space, may lose money for items such as glass and some plastics, reduces profits for landfill owners, source separation is inconvenient. The most obvious benefit of recycling is that it protects the environment and its resources. For example, it creates a balance by recycling papers that were once produced from cut down trees. The recycled paper is then made into various paper products. This greatly reduces deforestation. Many other natural resources can be reused this way. The second advantage of recycling is the reduction of energy consumption. It minimizes energy used in factory production as well as larger projects like mining. This makes the production process cost-effective, which benefits manufacturers. Recycling also reduces pollution. Since industrial waste is a major source of pollution, recycling and reusing industrial products like chemicals, cans, and plastics makes a huge difference to the environment. Recycling also helps to alleviate global warming and its effects. Massive amounts of waste are burned, which produces large amounts of greenhouse gases. The burning process is minimized when products are regenerated and reused. Recycling allows for industries to burn fewer fossil fuels. Recycling also has many other benefits. It conserves natural resources by not extracting new materials from below Earth's surface. It reduces the amount of waste in landfills. Recycling keeps 70 tons of waste from being placed in landfills every year. Lastly, it created 3.1 million jobs in the U.S. Recycling is not always cost-effective. Separate factories are often needed to process reusable products. This creates more pollution from cleaning and transportation. Recycled products may not last as long as new ones. They are not as durable and are often fragile or overused. For this reason, recycled products are normally cheaper. Recycling sites can be unsafe and unhygienic. Various wastes are dumped in these locations, causing disease to spread as well as other dangers from harmful chemicals. Surrounding bodies of water may become toxic from chemicals and waste. The last disadvantage is the high initial cost. Although there are both pros and cons to recycling, it is important to understand that if done correctly, recycling projects can have many positive effects on the environment.